Are you tired of seeing mold, mildew, and dirt ruining your home's curb appeal? Advanced Power Wash is here to help. Living in Myrtle Beach means battling humidity, salt, and grime daily. At Advanced Power Wash, we specialize in restoring the beauty of coastal properties. Our expert soft washing and pressure washing techniques eliminate mold, algae, and build up safely and effectively. We're a family-owned business that takes pride in delivering professional, eco-friendly service. From your roof to your driveway, our professional-grade equipment and biodegradable cleaning agents ensure powerful results without damage. With experienced technicians and a 100% satisfaction guarantee, you'll see why we're the trusted local choice. Protect and beautify your home's exterior with Advanced Power Wash. Call us today at 843-385-8114 for your free estimate, or visit advancedpowerwashmb.com to learn more.